Go backwards. Foot off. Stop. Forwards. Foot off. Whilst it's doing that, it's driving under pressure. Wrong way. Backwards. Whoop, couldn't even register that time. Foot off. As soon as your foot off, it stops. Foot on to go backwards. Foot off. Seems to be the pump current that stays going whilst it's trying to drive with your foot off. Right.